Hi everybody, my name is Dan, and welcome to my kitchen for another yummy episode of Man Cake. Today we're going to be doing something, breakfast themed, because I love my waffles, and they just opened up a new waffle shop down the street, which I'm really down to try out. But I figured, why not do waffles? Have fun with it, right? I mean, so versatile. You can do your strawberry banana waffles, chocolate chip waffles, chocolate waffles, banana waffles, so many different kinds of waffles, which I think we might have to explore down the road. But for today, let's just make good old-fashioned home-style buttermilk waffles. All the ingredients we're going to be using today are going to be down below in the description, along with that subscribe button. So if you click that and ring the bell, you can stay up to date on brand new recipes every week, and get to see, how I use these waffles in a dessert coming up soon too. So to get started, we're going to take a mixing bowl and work on our dry ingredients. First, adding in 3½ cups of flour, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we're just going to go ahead and whisk these all together. And there is our simple and easy waffle mix. If you have any left over after the day, you can always toss it into like an airtight container, label it waffle mix, and throw it in your pantry. I do. This way you have waffle mix ready to go. Who doesn't love that? So next we're going to go ahead and scoot our waffle mix to the side because we only need 2 cups. Grab another mixing bowl and start by adding in our 2 cups of waffle mix, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1½ cups of buttermilk. And then with our hand mixer, with the whisk attachment, if you have it, or just a regular, handheld whisk, we're going to whisk these ingredients all together until everything is nice and combined, and we have our good waffle texture that we're looking for. And there is our delicious waffle batter. Now let's heat up that waffle iron and get some yummy waffles cooking. So our waffle iron is nice and heated, ready for our waffle batter. So let's go ahead and start adding it in. And then we'll just close the lid and wait. And there is our delicious waffle. It just looks so golden and light and fluffy. And then you just repeat until you have as many waffles as you want. I like 4, a good healthy amount. I'm a growing boy. Well, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down there below and ring the bell so you can come back and see what we're going to be doing with these delicious yummy waffles. And if you make and try these delicious yummy waffles, give a tag on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter and let me see what you're going to be doing with these yummy waffles. And I'm kind of curious to see how many of you are going to be doing strawberries and bananas, some yummy whipped cream. I know I would. That's my vote. But until next week, bye.